Boy Who Cried Wolf. Shall we start? Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy. He took care of his village's sheep in the pasture every day.
I'm so bored. I wish there was something fun to do.
Suddenly, the boy remembered what one of the village women said.
If a wolf appears, you should shout to let us know right away.
Aha! That's it! It's a wolf. Ow! It's a wolf. Oh no! It's a scary wolf. Ow! It's a wolf. Ow! It's a wolf. Help! A scary wolf is here. Wolf! Wolf!
The villagers heard him shouting and quickly came to chase the wolf away.
Where is it?
Are you okay?
The wolf! Where is the wolf?
I was just kidding. I fooled you because I was so bored.
You lied to us. Never do that again.
The villagers got angry and went back home. The next day, the boy tried to fool the villagers again.
It's a wolf. Ow! It's a wolf. Oh no! It's a scary wolf. Ow! It's a wolf. Ow! It's a wolf. Help! A scary wolf is here.
The villagers quickly returned to chase the wolf away. The boy fooled them again, and he rolled with laughter.
This is so fun! I fooled you again! Yesterday and today!
You lied again?
Shame on you for lying to us.
The villagers went back home again. And then one day...
Ah! Wolf! Help! It's a real wolf!
Lie, huh? Lie again? We won't be fooled.
Lie! Lie again! Shame on you!
You cried wolf, but it's a lie. Now we all know that it's a lie. We don't believe you anymore.
No villagers came to help the boy this time. At the end, all the sheep were swallowed by the wolf. Kids Castle Story Musical. See you again!